Hey guys, welcome back. I'm still at this Honda transmission here. Uh, Automatic Honda Fourtrax. In the last video, we got this next section of case off in this clutch. Anyways, now I'm able to pull the shaft out. Should be able to, I think. Here's a fucking good one. Yeah, so if you look here, this little hoo-ha here broke off right there. That's the other piece of it in the hole. This should have stayed with the transmission when I pulled the shaft out. So I'm gonna see what I gotta do to get that out. I'm hoping it's just gonna spin out with a punch. And then we got a new one that we already ordered. I ordered that in the spring ahead of time because I've seen this before on other Hondas. I knew it was. I've seen both problems: the stud break, and I've also just seen the stud bent, and also the spring. Sometimes one side breaks off the spring. That's the spring part number there. And that's the stud. I don't know what they cost. They weren't expensive, I don't think. Alright guys, so other than being here, it's your lucky day because I just turned that. The only way I could be better than this is if it didn't break. That's the nice thing when bolts break off. A lot of times they lose the tension and come right out. Alright, so you can see I got that out of ways now. I think I can get it with my fingers. There's your broken piece. Yeah, you say that went really good. This is what it should look like. So yeah, if you're having transmission issues with a Honda and like you say, if you know you got a good shift motor and angle sensor and you still can't get it, this is pretty much the deal. I'd say 14 and up on the. Sometimes you'll get a neutral. It's hard for where the shaft doesn't. This is a centering spring. And the other end of this shaft goes into your angle sensor with this little D here. So that's how it knows where the transmission's at. When it doesn't center this, you don't get a neutral, and that's when you get the line on your dash and it won't start. So if you got down there with your wrench, if you're stuck in the woods, wiggle it till you get your neutral light on, and head for the hills. But yeah, that's the deal basically. It seems like your angle sensor's gone because without that spring holding the shaft where it should be, the shaft's bouncing all over the place. Doesn't know what to do. Angle keeps changing. Yeah, so that's it for that, guys. I'll show you when we take it for a test drive. Alright, guys, we got this Honda all back together. Had the broken centering spring pin, I guess. We also replaced the spring just in case. You can tell as soon as you shift it that it's working better. The little gear reduction case where your shift motor goes was also full of grease. And it had all tacked up and got turned to shit basically. So I cleaned all that out and just left a skim of grease on everything. Yeah, if you've seen older videos, you'll see that I'd often have to turn it off to get it to go into reverse or out of reverse. I'm pretty sure that's going to solve all the problems because this pin, I believe, they bend back and forth like this for a while before they break. You know, and sometimes it'd be easy to go into reverse, and sometimes it'd be easy to go forward until it breaks, and then screws everything up because the angle sensor gets messed up. But no new shift motor, no new angle sensor, just replace this. And we're going to see how it works out. No gas. Yeah, anyways, the transmission works good. I gotta pull it back in and put the skid plate up and a few little things, but she's mobile again anyways, so if you tried everything and you can't fix it, it's most likely this. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.